Tamikaze here with some updates on silver and what we could potentially see this week with the dollar reaching some all-time supports. I have the Dixie up here, dollar index. I want to show you big picture what could be happening this week and how we could get some giant moves in silver. So I'm going to zoom out here. You can see this is a big support line right here, this green one right here. If it breaks this, our next support is right here, and I'm gonna change this color so that we can differentiate it. Let's make that pink. So we have a wedge here that is about to be broken. Once it breaks this, I'm gonna zoom in here and show you how close it is to breaking it. So this green line is go time for silver and metals to just fly. And we can see here, if we zoom in even further, we can see the dollar broke the yearly low right here today and had a little rally at the end of the day. We are still in a downtrend easily right now. So you can see easily still in a downtrend, rejected off this downtrend line, and could tonight break below this, and we could see a crash down to 90, which would send silver and gold flying. So let's have some fun and let's dream a little. What could silver get to this week? Let's talk about SLV specifically. I have already charted out some possible destinations with high upsides, and I'll go through all these blue lines here. So these are possible things if we get a breakdown in dollar, what could happen this week, and I have some supports here. So basically this green line is, if we do this, this was just the big move that we saw before, low to high, and so I just took low to high over here and extended it out through Friday. This 3270, so this was a 28% move from here to here. So if we got another 28% move, that would move from here up to a potential 3270 this week. So that is my dream mark right there. That would be amazing. I'm not saying it's going to happen. We need the breakdown in the dollar for it to happen. But September is delivery month for all the future contracts. So if you watch my previous video, you could see why that is also important. So if we get the dollar breakdown with the contract buying so that the contracts could actually be physically delivered, we could see a ton of buying in silver and gold this week and next week. But I want to talk about this week specifically. So if we get a couple of the trends, so low to high trend right here, I think the 27 to 28, mid 27s to 28 is certainly possible. On the high end, if it follows the high end trend, and this is just simply trend lines, connecting points right here, we could see a high of 2880. This is probably your more realistic numbers in this area. This is your dream up here that says we're making lots and lots of money. So, and then these other lines, so this is a percentage one. This is an extension of just the previous play. This percentage one is probably more likely than this one. So if it goes above 2880, this is definitely possible up here this week. We could really fly because basically what we're doing is we're going in a parabolic movement right now. So what's happening is we're curling up. So you can see this is curling up, and it's just curling up, and it's just going to keep curling up. So if you were to do some math and figure out the trigonometry on that, you could see that it would curl up and go parabolic, and we could see by the end of September, it's not unheard of that we could see 40 to 50 by the end of September. If it goes parabolic, we could definitely see this 48.35 up here, which I think is crazy. And I've had some other guys tell me the exact same things without me even telling them this. So I am excited for silver, and this is something I wanted to share with you so that you get excited for silver. I know the 30 calls this week are $5 each. That would be considered an extreme lottery play. Put maybe $5 in there and see if you can get $100 out. Do not go crazy. It is totally up to you to do your own research and make your calls. But based on this, you could potentially make some money on silver this week. If we do get a breakdown in dollar, there's a lot of European and Australian economic data coming out this week that could weaken the dollar against them further. So we do have catalysts for it to happen as well. Thank you, and I hope you guys and girls have a great day.